Hi everyone and welcome back to The Reboot. A heartfelt season's greetings to everyone who is watching. Exciting days for me concerning the project, everyone. The steel has arrived, and with the roof in place, I have the delivery stored inside so that as the snow comes in the coming days and weeks, I'll have easy access to it as I start the installation process. In this video, I'm going to start tackling the installation of the building wrap and then moving forward with the installation of the wall steel, the metal siding for this building. I could be getting a little bit ahead of myself here, but I'm pretty anxious, pretty excited I would say, to install some of the wall metal to see how it looks. The installation of the building wrap is straightforward and quite easy. Again, I'm a novice at doing this, but watch a few YouTube videos, talk to some friends who are contractors, and the process, as I said, is quite straightforward. All I'm using here to install this 3-foot dimension of building wrap is my air stapler using T50 staples to secure it to the girts.
More staples needed.
Now, concerning the building wrap, it does get a little trickier and a little bit more challenging when I start to install the 9-foot lengths of the building wrap. That is the building wrap that essentially comes down from the ceiling height and overlaps with this 3-foot dimension at the lower part of the building. Now the important thing to remember as you do any siding, and as it was mentioned to me by several of my contracting friends, as well as made very clearly on building channels like RR Buildings, that you must overlap from top to bottom to ensure that both water and or condensation shed out of the building and not into the building.
Reboot. That's a little section that I got wrapped with the building wrap and put up some of the trim. You can see the trim right there, and you can see some more of the trim right there on the corner. A little bit closer, I've got the corner piece on here, and over here I have the trim ready to receive the steel on this side. And so what my plan is in this exercise today is to get a couple of pieces of steel. As you can see them hiding in here on the ground. Whoops. Hiding in here on the ground. get several of those pieces of steel after taking the measurements on the girts, and then punching holes into the steel at the exact location where the screw nails are going to be located. And obviously by punching the sheets, that'll give me a uniform location in terms of screw nail location across the sheets that I punch. And I'm obviously going to maintain that across this front side of the building and down the sides and the back wall, of course. And so by doing that, I obviously hope to get a feel in terms of what it's like to work with the steel as I put it up on the wall. But obviously I'm just dying, guys. I am absolutely dying to get some of the steel on the wall and see what it looks like. So with that in mind, that's the plan for today, and hope you continue to enjoy this video of the initial install of the metal walls. Hello? Hello? Okay, I've set myself up in the back of my trailer as a punching station for the sheet metal because it's got a wood bed, and then I can punch it into the wood and not ruin my awl. So the measurements are 1/2 inch, 24, 51. So not the best workstation, but like I said, I want to get a couple sheets done and installed. Let's go try to install those, Lou. Okay, so my sheets are punched. I've got my drill driver ready to go. Let's see how much I struggle with this. Let's see if I can get some sheets up. looks like it worked okay, and I gotta say, favorite saying from me, guys, I'm pretty pleased with this. Let's get this glove back on. So guys, I've done this in such a way so that when I put this divider trim piece on here, it's going to hide this top row of screws. Come on, Blue. Right here. Right here. Oh, good girl. Drop. Sit. Go. Come here, Blue. Right here. Oh, good girl. Drop. Let go. Sit. Go. Come on, Blue. Good girl. Good girl. Come here. Okay, so I've just cut this divider piece here. As you can see, it tucks in behind this corner trim and tucks in behind the trim on the side here. I'm going to come back here later and put in that side piece there, but this piece fits in nicely. And I'll just tack it in place with a few of these roofing nails. So there are two sheets that have just been punched. Let's hope I got the measurements right. And I didn't punch them on the foundation floor there. I punched them again in the bed of the trailer. I'm going to probably bring that trailer over here closer just so it's not as hard to move the steel back and forth. So let's see if I can get one of those upper pieces of steel installed. Big learning process here. Need to load up on the screw nails. Okay, so here's a quick little insightful observation. How do you tell someone's installing sheet metal for the first time? They use the wrong colored screw on the red steel. So, let me get some of those red screws in first, and then I'll take out all those gray ones. Feeling pretty good about that, guys.
The first 4 sheets are in place, and to my eye they look pretty good. Next step, get some more building wrap in place. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a happy and fun-filled holiday season. And of course, please remember to subscribe if you're enjoying the videos and enjoying your time on the channel. Take care.